This is an urgent alert. Please stand by. The following tones will activate the emergency alert system.
A civil authority has issued immediate evacuation notice for the following counties or areas. Beckham, Oklahoma, at 12:03 p.m. on March 15, 2026, effective until 2:03 p.m. At 11:42 am, large and destructive wildfire was burning out of control 3 miles NNW of SARE, spreading rapidly. SSE. Wildfires can damage or destroy structures and can harm or kill people and animals. For your safety, evacuate immediately for SARE, Oklahoma. Those north of East 1170 yard and north 1880 yard should leave this area now to avoid injury or death. Do not delay to pack belongings. Reunification Center is setting up at SARE Public Schools. Roads in the area may be impacted by fire and smoke. Never drive into heavy smoke. Slow down and move over for emergency vehicles.